What if I tell you that crisis happening in a West Asia could actually make India stronger and more powerful in the future? Sound unexpected, right? But this is exactly what might happen if India make the right move at the right time. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the West Asian crisis and how it can become a big opportunity for India to build resilience, growth, grow faster, and become self-dependent. West Asia is a very important region for the world, especially for the oil supply. A large amount of oil passes through a narrow route called the Strait of Hormuz. I know my pronunciation is not good, but please understand. Whenever there is a tension or conflict in this region, oil supply get affected, price increases, and country like India feel the pressure. But this situation is not only a challenge; it is also chance for the India to improve and grow stronger. For many years, India has depended on other countries for oil, but now India is increasing its use of renewal energy like solar power, wind energy, and hydro energy. These energy sources are available within the country. By investing more in them, India can reduce its dependence on imported fuel and become more self-reliant. This is also the right time for India to strengthen its industrial base. India is already working on a clean energy technology like a battery storage, solar panel manufacturing, and green hydrogens. These industries can create a job, boost the economy, and make India a global in clean energy. This is also a big opportunity in the aviation sector. Because of the tensions in West Asia, air routes are getting affected. This gives India a chance to become an important for global aviation hub. If India improve its airports, airlines, and infrastructure more, international flights can pass through India. This will increase the business, tourism, and global connectivity. At the same time, India needs focus on building a better cities, a strong economy need a strong urban infrastructure. This means better housing, clean environment, efficient public transport, and proper cities planning. If India improve this area, it will attract global companies and investors. Tourism is another sector with huge potentials. India has a rich culture, history, and nature beauty. By improving tourism infrastructure and promoting destinations properties, India can attract millions of the international tourists. This will generate income and create a environment. The most important thing to understand is that economic challenges can come at any time, but countries that act smartly during a difficult time become a stronger in the future. India has already shown its ability to handle through tough situations, and this moment can be used to move forward with confidence. So, the West Asia crisis is definitely a serious situation, but for the India, it can also be a turning point with the right situation. India can become a more self-dependent, more competitive, and more powerful on the global stage. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channels for a more such a content. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.